Almost 6 years ago, I had a fall and I fractured my right hip. I had surgery and a gamma nail was inserted to stabilize my fracture. The procedure was unsuccessful and I had a total hip replacement January 2020. I received a few physiotherapy visits, but COVID-19 restrictions halted my rehab. I think I could sum it up with 3 main points. 1, convenience. I can easily perform the same exercises from the clinic at home. 2, pain-free exercises. I'm able to exercise pain-free, which isn't the case with other machines or when performing body weight exercises. 3, multi-use. I can use the MiniPress to address all the major muscle groups in my lower leg. This is important because I want to stay as active as possible. I'm 80 years old and want to be as independent with walking, squatting, and stairs as possible. Definitely, before I began using the MiniPress, moving around the house and outside was getting harder and harder. In a very short time, it is easier for me to get in and out of a chair. Going up and down stairs is easier, and I'm walking more confidently. Yes, I purchased a MiniPress for my home so I can work out anytime I want. This freedom allows me to not depend on a clinic or gym to maintain and improve my strength. As we get older, it's important that we work hard to maintain our strength because being strong allows us to be independent.